Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Mercy Njeri, and today right now I'm at Subukia viewpoint, so you can see that we are heading to Nyahururu. So we have a property that we are selling right there. It is a hotel. It has 50 rooms, it has boardrooms, and so I'm going to show you all those details while at it there. So make sure that you stay tuned and like this video. So if you're a diaspora investor, a local investor, or you just have some money and you want to invest somewhere, you can consider this property. So before I tell you the price, let's go there and see.
Well, we are at Laikipia Comfort Hotel. So this building, the entire building is on sale, and it's located here in the CBD of Nyahururu. You can see it is strategically located on the CBD of Nyahururu. So as you can see, it is a 4-story building. It has bars, it has a restaurant, it has a hotel, and it has 2 halls, and then it has 50 rooms. So the total, the monthly income of the hotel per month is 3.5 million Kenyan shillings. So that is the monthly income of the entire building, including the shops to let, the rooms, the hotel, and everything else inside. So we're going to tour just one room because all the 50 rooms just look the same. So we're just going to give you a tour of just one room, which will symbolize the 50 of them. So I've told you we have 50 rooms, bringing 50 rooms, a hotel, some shops to let, and remember it's a 4-story building. For 150 million Kenyan shillings. So if you're looking for a real estate investment that you can put your investment right there to bring you some income, maybe you can consider this hotel here in Nyahururu. It's located in the CBD of Nyahururu, so you can come for a site visit. It is readily available, and all the documents, all the legal documents are available as well.
tour of this property. It's a hotel situated right on the road in Nyahururu. So if you're looking for such a property or you're looking forward to invest in Nyahururu, in Nyandarua, can consider this property. So you, for more information or for viewing, site visit, you can contact us on the number on your screen or reach me on the email right there. So I'm gonna see you in my next one, but before then, before you leave this video, make sure that you have liked, subscribed, and also leave me a comment. What do you think about this property? What do you think about the quoted amount? So the property is going for 150 million Kenyan shillings. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts on that. So I'm gonna see you in my next one. So until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.